Hello and welcome to Koshmo. I am Josh and I'm going to be showing you how to record Nintendo Switch content using OBS Studio. Now what you need is a HDMI TV / monitor. This is just a small HDMI TV, a docking station and a Nintendo Switch Oled model. And then over here you need a capture card. A HDMI capture card, only one, and also a USB 3-pin socket or whatever, a USB socket, because your HDMI capture card requires obviously power. So I'm going to outline what it is for you. So what you need is two HDMI cables, one that goes through the TV and through the capture card. The other HDMI cable goes through the Nintendo Switch. Don't know if you can see that over there. It's at the back somewhere. Nintendo Switch docking station and through the HDMI capture card. And then you need a USB to go through your PC or laptop, which is right here where I've placed it. So, and also the power cable there, which runs through over to here. Okay, and you'll probably need a extension socket like I've got, as you can see, and also here because I've run out of space, and it's a mess. I must apologize for that. And then once you've done all that, once you've connected it all up, I must say, warn you, if you do get a cheap HDMI capture card, which I've got here, which I've had for many years and works absolutely fine, it does mess about a little bit. So it freezes every now and then on OBS Studio or OBS Streamlabs or whatever recording software you got. I'm just doing OBS Studio because I've got OBS Studio. It works exactly the same way as Streamlabs OBS. But yeah, anyway, it does kind of like crashes sometimes when you're trying to sort out the video settings and stuff like that. But it only happens like about 70% of the time or something like that. But it's fine. It's only a plug and play one, so you don't really have to fiddle about with it too much. Anyway, once you've done all that, connected it all up, like I said, you come to your PC or laptop and go into OBS Studio, and as you can see, it's already connected up. That should be connected up, and I'll show you how to do that right now. So what you need to do, I'm not going to do it just in case I mess up my thingy, is obviously go into sources over here. Alright, and then click the plus sign, click the video capture device. Alright, which I've already got here. That will come up. It should come up with like a camera or something like that. All right, and then once you go into the settings, once it brings you to the tab settings, it should bring you like this, and then it gives you options like you know device. You got your whatever you got there. Make sure you click USB video, and then you can fiddle about with the video configurations and stuff like that if you want to. I leave everything else as it should, but it's up to you what you want to do with it. Alright, and I leave the capture audio on as well. Click OK, and then it should, there you go, and it should work like that. Okay, and then after that you can just click start or record content, and that is how you stream or record Nintendo Switch OLED model content. Hope you found that helpful. If you have any issues, I will try to respond, but I'm not very techy, so I do apologise. But yeah, I hope you find that very interesting. Leave a like, subscribe, and join me again for the next upcoming video.